Ikea keeps releasing so many new products this spring. We covered many of them in my previous videos, but this latest drop that just came out is giving spring vibes. So today we're going to the best new Ikea spring finds you just gotta have in your home. I'm On, this is Mars, and that there is Zara, and we all love Ikea DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! The first new Ikea product I have for you is actually a new sofa that just came out, and that is the UPPÅKRA Sectional. This is one of those sofas that instantly sets the tone for a space. The shapes are so soft and inviting, but still structured enough to feel elevated, plus that neutral palette just works with everything. It's giving that cozy lived-in look without feeling heavy, which is exactly what you want in your space. The best part about this sofa is that it's modular, so you can really make it fit your space exactly the way you want, which is amazing. Plus it comes in so many different materials and colors to choose from to make it your own. I love that IKEA is releasing so many new sofas this year, and this one is definitely something worth checking. Speaking of furniture, there is also a new bed frame at IKEA, and that is the SLATTUM bed in this gorgeous two-tone color combo. The upholstered headboard just softens everything, making the space feel more relaxed and put together without needing a ton of styling. The headboard has such a soft upholstery and a padded headboard that complete the stylish and simple lines. It also have included extra headboard slipcover, which is just amazing. It lets you change the look and style whenever you like. And even though this bed feels light and airy, there is plenty of space under it for storage or boxes. It's just perfect for small spaces. This one also comes in a twin version too, and at a great price point for only $100. Loving it so much. Next up, we have a new floor lamp at IKEA, and let me tell you, this one looks so good. You've got that uplight creating a soft glow in the room, plus a focused reading light that actually makes it functional. I love those shades so much, also the base, which feels so unique. It's just the perfect lamp to add in your space if you're looking to cozy it up without feeling too heavy. The next new IKEA product I have for you is actually a new version they released from their famous NÅLBLECKA shelf, and that is this beautiful and so smart corner shelf. This is how you fix a cluttered countertop without actually removing anything. The NÅLBLECKA corner shelf adds height, layer, and structure, so everything looks styled instead of messy. I love how they designed this shelf using that awkward corner space that usually goes to waste and just always looks messy, and with this shelf you can turn it into something functional and so aesthetic. They also released another version of the NÅLBLECKA shelf in a smaller version, and this one is super cute. Same idea, just more compact. It groups your everyday essentials from spices to coffee supplies, oils, even skincare in the bedroom. Everything will have a place, and your countertop will instantly look clutter-free while giving you a decor moment. Now, a whole collection that's new at IKEA this spring, and that just blew my mind, is the AFTONHAJ collection. This collection consists of a few new products, all in this beautiful shiny steel, and we're starting off with this gorgeous new carafe. I love this one so much. The stainless steel feels just so sculptural and almost have a professional look, but the shape keeps it soft and so beautiful. Also, this serving bowl in that same shiny steel look, doing that perfect balance between functional and statement. It's simple, but the metallic finish catches the light just enough to make whatever you're serving feel so elevated, like you're in a restaurant. There is also a jar with a lid in this collection that's perfect for coffee, sugar, snacks, just whatever you would like to put inside, and it instantly feels more curated. The lid keeps everything clean and contained while still looking sleek on your counter. And the last product in this collection is this salt and pepper shaker set that feels so fancy restaurant. The mix of stainless steel with the warmth of wood adds just such a nice contrast, making this everyday item feel so stylish and super intentional. I love this collection so much, it really feels like it belongs in a high-end designer store, not Ikea. Another new collection at Ikea that just dropped is also the SPJUTLILJA collection. Now, contrary to the cold and shiny steel, this one is full of spring vibes, bringing a playful and colorful energy into your space. And we're starting off with this gorgeous spice mills. And let me tell you, I just got to have these in my home. These look so good. They bring in that subtle, playful contrast that makes a kitchen just feel more alive. These are practical, but also one of those pieces you don't mind leaving out because they just look like a decor. I can't wait to see this in stores. Another piece here I really love are these uniquely shaped bowls. I love these cute shapes so much. They also come in these soft colors that are just perfect for adding those spring vibes to your table setting. You can use them for snacks, creamy salads, nuts, just anything you serve in them will look so unique and so cute. Also, these side plates, which are honestly not your everyday IKEA dinnerware and look so curated. These charming plates have different figures on the edges, each one telling its own story, which is such a fun thing to have on plates. They come in a set of 4 and look so fun and interesting. And the last product in this collection is this set of 2 jars. I just love this color and the shape so much. These jars are both practical and decorative, so you can keep dry foods like spices, coffee, tea, even seeds, nuts or snacks on hand while looking nice to keep out on display. Now, speaking of new kitchen finds, IKEA just released a new vegetable chopper, and this is one of those tools that just make cooking feel way easier. Plus, this one's so compact, easy to use, and just looks way better than the one I have in my home, so I just can't wait to get it on my next trip to IKEA. Another new IKEA find this spring are these cute little lanterns. These come in a few different colors and are such an easy way to bring in that soft spring ambience. The colors feel so fresh and so playful and work just as well indoors as they do outside. Loving how calm and romantic these look. Also, the top sun lanterns are new at IKEA this spring that look so minimal and so clean. These come in 2 dimensions and in a few different colors and are perfect for creating that effortless, warm atmosphere that makes a space feel so cozy and warm. And we're finishing off with this gorgeous new rug at IKEA this spring that has so much movement and so much energy, making even the most boring space feel more alive. This would look so good styled in an entryway or in the kitchen, bringing pattern and color and just making things fun. And that's a wrap for today. Did you like these new IKEA pieces? Let me know in the comment section below. I mean, that shiny steel collection is just chef's kiss and I can't wait to see it in stores. Let me know which one was your favorite by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell, allowing all notifications to never miss another video again. I post IKEA content every single Thursday, so you'd like to stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! You're the best doggos, you know that?
You're the best doggos.
Look at them.
Look at them. Look at them. Zara. Mars. Say bye. Bye.